Welcome to Confidently Rich. The rich don't fear debt. They profit from it. Broke people avoid debt like it's poison. The rich, they hunt it down and turn it into cash flow. Today, I'll show you exactly how they do it and how you can too, using debt the smart way. This isn't about maxing out your credit card. It's about using debt to build income, protect your taxes, and unlock the same financial tools the elite use daily. I'm adding real-life examples, so you leave this video with a strategy, not just theory. Section 1. Good debt versus bad debt. Let's talk straight. Bad debt. That's money you'll never see again. You finance an iPhone 17 on EMI, it loses half its value the moment you unbox it. You lease a luxury car? Cool for the gram, terrible for your wallet. Designer clothes? You wear them once, then they sit in your closet collecting dust, not dollars. But good debt? That's different. Good debt works for you. You borrow money to buy a rental property. Now, someone else is paying your loan and giving you cash flow. You fund a vending machine, and it spits out passive income, not soda. You build a drop-shipping store, or even better, a faceless YouTube channel, both low overhead, high upside. You get the picture. Here's a real-life example. David took out a $20,000 personal loan. Most people would have used it for a vacation, or maybe a shiny new BMW. Not David. He bought 2 vending machines and placed them in high-traffic schools. Now, he makes $900 a month net. His loan payment is just $450. That's $450 a month in pure passive profit, and he broke even in 3 months. That, my friend, is how the rich use debt. Not to Section 2, real-world example, rental property play. All right, let me introduce you to Sarah. She wasn't rich. She didn't have a trust fund. What she did have was $20,000 in savings. Instead of wasting it on a new car or watching it sit in the bank losing value, she made a power. Section 4, taxes and arbitrage, the secret sauce. Here's something most people don't realize. When the rich use debt, they're not just borrowing money. They're lowering their taxes and making money at the same time. That's the secret sauce they never teach you in school. Let me break it down. Interest on good debt? Often tax deductible. If your investment earns 9% and you borrowed at 5%, you keep the difference. That's called arbitrage, and the wealthy do it every single day. Here's a real-world move. Lisa borrowed $100,000 at 5%. She didn't go shopping. She didn't upgrade her car. She invested it into blue-chip dividend stocks that pay her 8% a year. That's $8,000 earned. She pays $5,000 in interest. Her net gain? $3,000 from borrowed money. And because the interest is tax deductible, her tax bill drops too. She wins on 2 fronts, income and taxes. She's not spending debt. She's profiting from it. And so can you, once you stop fearing it and start using it the right way. Section 5, risk management. Let's be clear, debt is a powerful tool, but without protection, it's a loaded weapon pointed at your own foot. Here are the rules the wealthy never break. Don't take variable rate loans in a rising interest market. That's how fortunes evaporate. Don't borrow for lifestyle upgrades. A new watch won't pay your rent. Always have an exit plan. Every deal should have a what if it goes wrong button. Use separate LLCs or entities for each major asset. Never let one failing deal take down the whole house. Real story. John bought 4 rental units. Smart move, right? But he made one fatal mistake. He used one single personal loan to finance them all. When one unit failed, it dragged the other 3 down with it. Now meet Emma. Same strategy, but smarter execution. She used separate business loans and separate LLCs for each property. When one struggled, she held the others steady. That's not luck. That's strategy. Because here's the truth. Debt without protection is like driving a Ferrari with no brakes. It'll thrill you until the crash. The rich, they play offense and defense.